Curious ID presents a journey into the unseen world of light, exploring the hidden spectrum that surrounds us every day. You see colors every day: red, green, blue, but these familiar hues are only a tiny fraction of what's truly out there. Beyond the edges of the rainbow lies an entire universe of invisible colors, hidden from human eyes. Imagine the ultraviolet glow that insects can see, guiding them to nectar, or the infrared warmth that snakes can sense, allowing them to hunt in complete darkness. Light is far more colorful and complex than you might ever have imagined, extending into realms we can only perceive with specialized tools. Our understanding of light began to expand significantly with Isaac Newton in the 17th century. When he famously passed sunlight through a prism, he revealed a continuous rainbow of colors, what we now call the visible spectrum. However, Newton, with his keen observational skills, also noticed something profoundly curious. He observed that light seemed to continue beyond the red and violet ends of the spectrum, even though it remained invisible to his own eyes. This early observation hinted at a much broader reality of light. Later scientists, building upon Newton's foundational work, discovered that light is fundamentally a wave. This wave-like nature means that color is simply the wavelength of that wave, a continuous, sliding scale that extends far beyond what our human retinas are capable of detecting. This revelation opened the door to understanding the vast electromagnetic spectrum, where visible light is just a small segment. Our human eyes are remarkably sensitive, yet they are limited to perceiving light with wavelengths between roughly 380 and 750 nanometers. Below that range lies ultraviolet light, characterized by shorter wavelengths and carrying significantly more energy. It's the very same energy that gives you a sunburn after prolonged exposure. Conversely, above our visible range lies infrared light, which has longer wavelengths and radiates heat. It's the warmth you feel emanating when you stand near a crackling fire. These two invisible bands are just the beginning of the spectrum. But the electromagnetic spectrum doesn't stop with just ultraviolet and infrared. It encompasses an astonishing array of other forms of energy. X-rays, used in medical imaging, microwaves, which heat our food, and even radio signals, which carry our broadcasts and communications. They are all fundamentally forms of light, differing only in their wavelength and energy, yet entirely invisible to our natural senses. This vast spectrum highlights how much of the universe operates beyond our direct perception. Many animals, however, possess the extraordinary ability to see parts of this hidden world that remain invisible to us. Bees, for instance, can detect intricate ultraviolet patterns on flowers, which act like natural landing guides, directing them to nectar sources. Some birds, with their advanced visual systems, can see not only UV light, but also a wider range of greens than humans, effectively giving them a form of supervision that enhances their perception of their environment and potential mates. Snakes, on the other hand, employ a completely different sensory mechanism. They don't see in the traditional sense, but rather sense heat through specialized infrared sensitive pits located on their faces. This unique biological adaptation allows them to effectively see the thermal signatures of warm-blooded prey, enabling them to hunt with remarkable precision even in total darkness, turning the night into a landscape of heat. While humans might not naturally possess the biological adaptations to see these invisible colors, our ingenuity has led us to build sophisticated machines that can. Infrared cameras, for example, are designed to translate thermal energy into visible shades, effectively letting us see in darkness by revealing heat signatures. This technology extends our perception, allowing us to observe phenomena that would otherwise be completely hidden. Our technological advancements have truly expanded our cosmic vision. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering, observes the universe primarily in infrared light, allowing it to peer through vast cosmic dust clouds that would obscure visible light, revealing the birthplaces of newborn stars and distant galaxies. Ultraviolet telescopes, meanwhile, expose energetic cosmic explosions and active galaxies that are completely invisible to our optical instruments. In essence, Through these incredible tools, we've extended our sight far beyond the limitations of our biology, allowing us to explore the universe in unprecedented detail. If you could somehow perceive the full electromagnetic spectrum, the world around you would be transformed, appearing unimaginably different. Your surroundings would glow with intricate heat signatures, reveal hidden markings on surfaces, and pulsate with complex energy patterns that are currently imperceptible. It would be a constant, vibrant display of information, revealing the true energetic nature of everything. You'd never look at the vast expanse of the night sky, the flickering flame of a candle, or even your own hand in quite the same way again. Each would reveal layers of invisible light and energy, transforming the mundane into the extraordinary and highlighting the hidden depths of our reality. So remember, what you see with your eyes is only a tiny sliver of the vast and complex reality that surrounds us. The universe is painted with countless invisible colors and energies that we may never truly perceive directly, yet they are all around us, constantly interacting and shaping our world. Curious for more insights into the wonders of science? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCurious ID as we continue to explore the unseen and the unknown.